The health care bill was passed recently in Congress, and we're asking students for their opinion on the subject. Cole, what is your opinion of the health care bill?
Well, Josh, I'm mostly satisfied with what's in the health care bill. I think that this landmark legislation has been one of President Obama's biggest accomplishments. I know it's a fulfillment of one of his major campaign promises, and it's really important because it is one of the biggest improvements in healthcare that we've seen in decades. I would have liked to have seen a public option in it. I think President Obama and his administration could have pressed the Republicans harder in achieving that. I think that I'm satisfied with the provision in it that says that kids may stay on their parents' plan until they're 26 years old. I think I plan on doing that. I think it's a big step closer to making sure that every man, woman, and child in America has access to health care as a right, not a privilege. And I know some concern has been raised about the individual mandate, which penalizes you with taxes if you do not purchase health care. I know 12 attorneys general are suing the federal government over that issue. I just think it's kind of odd that all of a sudden now Republicans are trying to care about the Constitution after it had been gathering dust for 8 long years during the Bush administration. But I'm mostly satisfied with what's in it.
What is your opinion of the health care bill?
Well, to be completely honest with you, I think it's something that we've needed for quite some time, and I'm glad that the Obama administration and the great Democrats in Congress were able to get it done. I think that it's one of a number of things that we have to get done. I think it's going to do a lot for Americans. I think that it's going to do a lot for the administration. It's been 100 years since a president has attempted to get this done, and that's 100 years of people trying to stop progress. And I think that this bill has entered in a new era of politics, entered a new era of America, and has entered a new era of people trying to get the job done. So I think it's doing a great job, not just with healthcare, but with the whole attitude of the American people.
What is your opinion on the health care bill?
I would have to say that from my perspective, that I'm military, so it really technically doesn't matter. But I just do think it's unfair for people who have paid healthcare like all this time and to have to go through the same things or trials that people are going to come to just to see a doctor towards the people who haven't had healthcare and are now getting free healthcare.
What is your opinion on the healthcare bill?
I think it's a wonderful, wonderful piece of legislation. Now a bill.
What is your opinion on the healthcare bill?
I think that it's going to help people, but I also think that it's a little over-exaggerating.
I think it's over-expensive, and that's terrible.
I think it's good because everyone's having to pay for health care, which helps everyone out in the long run.
The passage of this landmark legislation.
Hello, what is your opinion of the health care bill?
Well, Josh, I'm mostly satisfied with what's in the health care bill.
They have to pay for whatever they have. Well, no, don't do that. Stop it. Stop it.
What is your opinion on the health care bill?
Well, I support healthcare, but not necessarily this. I hate you. Alright, you can edit that out.